Hi guys! What's up? For today's video ay pupunta ako sa Dasma Arena para manood ng game ng FEU versus DLSU Men's Volleyball ng V-League. Isang sakay lang ng jeep guys from bahay papuntang Dasma Arena. And right now ay on the way na ako papunta sa arena. By the way guys, katapat lang pala ng Dasma Arena ang bagong City Hall ng Dasmariñas City. So ito na guys, papunta na ako sa Dasma Arena and excited rin ako kasi first time kong manood ng live game ng volleyball ng V-League. Ito na guys, nakapasok na ako and nagwa-warm up na yung mga players. Malapit sa volleyball action yung napili kong upuan. So itong game pala guys ay game 2 na ng finals series sa men's volleyball. Panalo ang Lasal sa game 1 ng 3 sets to none and tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang FEU Tamaraws. Makikita nyo dito guys na malaki din talaga ang venue ng games. Occasionally ay nagiging host din ang arena ng Premier Volleyball League or PVL at nagiging full house pa ang venue kapag Creamline ang maglalaro. Ito na guys, magsisimula na ang laro.
Ladies and gentlemen, live from the city of Dasmariñas Arena in Dasmariñas, Cavite, this is the V-League 2025 Men's Collegiate Challenge, where it all started. This is match number 37 of the tournament. Game 2 of the best of 3 final series between the Far Eastern University Tamaraws and their opponents at De La Salle University Green Spikers.
Katabi ko palang manood ang mga future stars ng FEU Men's Volleyball.
Referees officiating this match. Our first referee is Fernando Velarde. Second referee, Joven Racelis. Ariel Cacao. Outside spiker number 5, Rico Espartero. Opposite hitter number 9, Trix Saavedra. Middle blocker is this tournament's best middle blocker, number 11, Lyric Mendoza. Another middle blocker, number 15, Tuna Tongada. And outside spiker number 19, Ahmed Between. Starting libero is number 1, Benny Cepalios. Head coach for FEU is Ed Orculio. Number 18, Chris Hernandez. Opposite hitter number 20, Ruby Ventura. And middle blocker number 22, Joshua Magalaman. Starting libero is this tournament's best libero, number 6, Sherwin Retiro. Head coach for Nassau is Jose Roque.
Let the games begin!
Serve number. Retired to.
Dito sa set 1 ay umarangkada agad ang middle blocker ng Lasal na si Oseini.
Hardball is South City.
Grabe pala manood ng games ng live guys. Sobrang bilis ng bola. Kung minsan hindi mo na masundan ng bola sa bilis ng plays ng dalawang teams. Dito sa set 1 guys ay hirap ang spikers ng Lasal dahil bantay sarado ang mga blockers ng FEU. Basang-basa ng FEU ang setter ng Lasal. Set 1 goes to FEU 25-16. Lumipat naman dito ngayon sa side ng court ang Lasal team. Sa set 2 naman ay kontrolado pa rin ng FEU ang game samantalang lumulobo ang unforced errors ng Lasal.
Eugene Gloria gets a full touch.
At this point, FEU has a comfortable lead against Lasal.
Service error.
Mukhang di nag-work ang game plan ng Lasal.
12 serving 17. Service is Rito. Tuna Tongada hits zone 6. Big Sapendra. It's success. And Tuna Tongkada. Is Halsey. It's success. Serving for this.
Kuha pa rin ng FEU ang set 2, 25-17. Mae-extend kaya ng Lasal ang match or masisweep ng FEU ang Game 2? Sa set 3 ay leading pa rin ang FEU.
For the match, Bryce Lickesman. RJ Magallanes in success.
Si Dula Donggala ang tumapos sa set 3, 25-18.
Tuna Tongkada.
FEU was able to extend the final series to Game 3. Series tied na between FEU and DLSU. Congratulations sa FEU Men's Volleyball Team for winning this game, pati na rin sa championship ng conference na ito. Punong-puno ng talented players ang roster ng FEU Men's Volleyball. Thank you so much for watching this video guys! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel para laging maging updated sa ating mga future uploads. Bye guys!